The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Our greatest ability as humans is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. It does not require money to live neat, clean, and dignified. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Each night when I go to sleep, I die, and the next morning when I wake up, I am reborn. They cannot take away our self respect if we do not give it to them. The law of love could be best understood and learned through little children.